Hello everyone. Countdown timers are the most used tools to drive conversions. Today, we will guide you on how to create a deal countdown timer for your sites. Make sure you have installed and activated Notification X. Now, we will use the notification bar of Notification X to use this feature. Navigate to Notification X from your WordPress dashboard and hit Add New. Select Notification Bar as the type, Press Bar as the source and go Next. Select your preferred template on the Design tab and enable Advanced Design. Choose colors for the background and text and set your font size. You can also adjust more design options and typography. Then, hit Next. Provide content, button text and URL on the Content tab. Next, on the Countdown Timer section, enable the countdown. Now, you have to set the start and end date for the countdown. After setting up the UTM control, go Next. On the Display section, adjust the Show On and Display for options. Now, go Next for further customization. Here, you can set position, display close option etc. Then, you can add animation effects on showing and hiding notifications. You can also set the delay time for notifications. Next, you have the option to open the notification link in a new tab. Once done, hit the Publish button. Let's customize the countdown timer with Elementor. Install and activate Elementor on your website. On the Design tab, click Build with Elementor and select a template. Hit the Import button and click Edit with Elementor. On the Elementor editor interface, search for Countdown. Drag and drop the Countdown widget by Elementor on where you want to add. Set due date and toggle to enable or disable days, hours etc. On the Style tab, adjust the background color, border type, spacing and more. Now, click on the press bar text and customize as necessary with content and style options. Then, customize the text, appearance and input links as required for the button. You can also add another widget, such as an image on the bar, to personalize it even further. Once done with the customization, hit the Publish button. Now, come back to the Notification X options. You no longer need to adjust the design and content here, since it has been handled with the Elementor editor. So, set up the display and other customization options before publishing the notification. Let's customize the countdown timer with Gutenberg. To use all the available layouts, install and activate essential blocks. On the Design tab, click Build with Gutenberg and select a template. Hit the Import button and click Edit with Gutenberg. Select the countdown block and set your preferred due date. Then, customize content settings as required. On the Style tab, adjust spacing, alignment and more. Now, click on the press bar text and customize as necessary. Then, customize the text, appearance and input links as required for the button. Once done with the customization, hit the Save button. Now, come back to the Notification X options. You no longer need to adjust the design and content here, since it has been handled with the Gutenberg editor. So, set up the display and other customization options before publishing the notification. Now, let's have a preview. Here's how you can create a deal countdown timer with Notification X and drive more conversions and sales. Have you found this video helpful? Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more.